Hello and how are you? My name is Mohindo Mubarak and I'm coming to our 19th lecture of creating a complete marketplace system. We always do 30 minutes. I'll go ahead and start our timer without wasting much time. Let's go straight into our today's business. As you can see, our project is there. It has already launched. So in the previous lecture, we stopped at the level whereby we wanted to click on an image product and view it in full screen. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to resume from where we stopped at the previous lecture. All right, so without wasting much time, let's go straight into today's business. So let me go ahead and start my server. So my server is there. It's now running. So if I come and refresh, if I click on it, you'll see that it has literally downloaded the product. So I'm seeing here some error 404. Yeah, let's see. Let's begin fixing with that. Let's start fixing with that. Let's begin with fixing that. Okay, so when I click here, I see an error. All right, has our server started? Let me hope so. Let me see here, localhost, MarketLink web. I see it has started. All right, let's see what could be the problem. So I'll come here and refresh. Let's refresh here, or let me run it afresh. Yep. So in the previous lecture, we're on the product screen here, and we're working with this logic of downloading images. All right, so let's go ahead and see how we can now view the already downloaded image. Click there, load the product, click on the product. Let's look at our console. Let's click on download. So you see here there's a problem. They're saying that there's exception because the status was 404, and yeah, so there's a problem. It's not downloading. All right, let's figure out. So let's say there is get downloads. All right, let's see what could be causing that. So let me come to download. All right, so let me surround this with try and cache. Surround it with this try and catch, so we catch the DO exception. So let's come here and say try like this, then you come here after this, so you write there try, then come here and put catch. However, here I'll catch the DO exception like this. All right, so let's see. So if it fails, we can get here a problem. So put here print, say failed to download, and then maybe we can put what we are trying to download. So what we're trying to download, put path stroke what, stroke the name, and then you can put the reason, that message, you can put here again that response, then we can close the is like this. All right, so let's see now. So I save, I click on download. You see it failed to download, so we don't have 0 WebP. I think this is what we're trying to download, so this is not that is causing the issue. 0.webp. Okay, 0.webp. So we're supposed to have at least an image of 0.webp. Let's go to our project and make sure that image is there. Right, so I'll just go to my Visual Studio Code and then open MarketLink web. First close these other things. I'd open so many things there. Right. So come there. I come to the project. So it is here. So this is where our images are. Let's just duplicate this first image and save it as Ctrl+Shift+S. Let's save it as 0. We have some images that are being looked at 0, so it's on there. So now we have these images. We have now 0. Okay, so this is, I think, my personal error. Let's try and see again. So refresh, click. So you see that image 0 is not that as missing for many images. So if I click on this, you'll see that it was downloaded. Okay, so it was downloaded successfully. I click, so it has downloaded. So let's proceed. We can leave that try and catch there. Try and catch. So let's come here now, download link. Yeah, so you see the image that has been downloaded. So let's see. Let's go to download. So there is our view. So let's come here at the top. Yeah, so here open photos. So I want here to open a photo that has been clicked on. So you see, I want to open that particular photo that has been clicked on. However, here I've just been working on the logic of downloading all photos that have been clicked on. And so what we're going to do, we're going to be first getting the photos that have been downloaded. Let's first check if this downloaded pics. Okay, I'm going to check if downloaded pics does not contain the photo that I want to download. So if it does not contain the file that we want to download, does not contain it, then we shall go ahead and download it. Or can just simply put here a toast and say details and say toast. Say please wait, like this. That is in case the photo is not there, right? That's in case the photo is not in the list of the photo that we have already downloaded. So if it is there, what we shall do, we shall get that path of the downloaded photo. Alright, so we can get the path of the downloaded photo and then we display it. Alright, so let's see. So if I click there, so it has already downloaded it. That's why it does not even show please wait. Right, so let's first have a look of the photos that we have. So then simply say for var in, var x in, and then I can just first display the photos that we have. So I come here, just click there, see, just we have the photo names. Okay, these are the photos that have just been downloaded. That is fine. So what we're going to do right now, we're going just to simply get the photo. So if the photo is there, if the photo is there, it means that if the photo is in the pics of photo that have been downloaded, it means that we don't need again to download it. Or you can just simply say, just simply say string and say downloaded pic path equals to, then we say await utils not download, and then you put the link of the photo, which is let's see how we did it on top there. The link which we get it from is okay, like that. So remember, this pic is coming here. Alright, so here we get the last part, and then we get the image URL, and then we get the link like this. So we wait. Of course, I check here. If is empty, I just say it is the toast, say failed to download, and then I can put photo, or we can just simply display the one that is already showing there. So you return at this point. So otherwise, I can just simply here, just for testing, so simply say the toast and say downloaded, and then I put the photo like that. So if I click there, downloaded the photo. So that is so beautiful. I mean that the photo has been downloaded, right? So you see, if I click there, so I can see this is 3 because this is 0. Yeah, so everything is beautiful. So what we want to do right now is just to display the photo. You see, it comes with the path. I mean, it comes, let's see, it comes with the path, the local path of the downloaded image. That is so beautiful. So right now what we want to do is just to display the photo, right? So display the photo. Let me see how we display it now. So let me first remove these other things. I'm going to show you how we're going to do it to display the photo in zoom format. I had already designed here some things. Let me first remove them because they are not making that much sense right now, because I've already developed it, the whole thing. Okay, so after we have worked on the logic of downloading the photo, we have it now in our local disk. So I want to display it, right? So this is downloaded photos. We don't need this. I'd remove it. I'll also remove this one. So here I'll check if the file exists or not. Of course, I've already done that, so I don't need to check again. Yeah, so here I don't need to check this again. So all what you need is we're going to say image provider equals, image provider can say img provider equals to file image, and then we go ahead and import the file from dat.io, and then we put here the downloaded pic. Put it here like this. All right, so after doing so, we're going to import this show image viewer. All right, we're going to import this show image viewer. It's a Flutter package. So let's go ahead and import it. So just simply come here, show image viewer, then just come to the internet and search show image viewer Flutter. So this is the photo view. It's called photo view. It can do a lot of things. It can do for you a slider where you can be able to view and zoom. All right, so first just going to use it for viewing full image and being able to zoom. Right, this is the thing. So let me go ahead and install it. So I'll click on installing. It's very popular. You can see it's very popular. So let me go ahead and install it. Copy, come to our project, go to terminal, paste it there. So we shall wait a minute for it to download. It's downloading. You can see here. Let's see, it takes how many seconds? Yeah, so let's wait for it to finish downloading. Oh, it's taking a minute, my god. Alright, we shall wait, no problem. I just finished downloading. So once it finishes downloading, just start here. Alright, so once it finishes downloading, here we'll go ahead and import it. So just simply say show image viewer, like that. Let's go ahead and import it. Oh my god, it's not importing. Did we? It's already there. Just a minute. I want to make sure that we're using the right one here. We put is the image view. Is the image view, this one. So I'll come and copy it here. Is the image view, it's the one that we're going to use. So come at the terminal and run it. Alright, is the image view has been added. Let's go ahead and import it. So that's it. For you just call show image viewer, then you give it context, and then you give the image provider that we initialized here. Then you give here the background color. So you can put the default background color to be our primary color. You can put maybe black to be our primary background color, and then put here the close button. So the close button can be white, and then you can say close button tooltip should be closed, and then when someone double clicks should zoom, you say yes. When should it be able to use safe area, like in full screen, you can say yes. And then immersive, you can say false, and then say able to swipe, you can say false, because that swiping behavior is not very good. But you can as well enable swiping, or you can be able to swipe multiple photos. Okay, show barrier color. So let me see this. Can give it, like, for example, barrier color, and then maybe you can be able to write something on top of it. So yeah, so now after doing so, you can go ahead and read more about this image view. Just come and read about it. It has a lot of things that you can do with it, and you can even give it multiple photos like this, and then you're able to swipe through photos, right? But for me, I'm interested in just giving it one photo. It is enough for me. But however, we can try this one as well. Right, so let's see. Now if I come here and click on zoom, you see the image will open in full screen. It is up to full. I can be able to do it to zoom. See, I can double click and it zooms out. Yeah, so let's try this also. So I can close. Let's try this. Let me see. If I come here, just simply say, let me return at this level. Just simply say image provider, and then I give these multiple images. So let's see if we can give, for example, these image providers, like I put like the image, this same provider like 3 times, right? So after doing so, I go ahead and put the show image context. So this show image view pager, it can take like, I think, single of these parameters that we're having here. Let me see if this one can take multiple parameters. I think no, it can take only the images. Alright, so show view page viewer takes the context, takes the my provider as the second parameter. Then here you have on page change. So if your page changes, you can listen to it at this level. Overview dismissed, you can listen to it at this level. I believe there are more parameters that you can have here. Let's see. Yeah, so these parameters that we are having here, you can as well add them there. These ones, I think, yeah. If I can come and put this one here, so it's beautiful. You can add them here, right? So if I save, in this one, you should be able to see multiple photos. I mean, you should be able to swipe. You see, can be able to swipe. Okay. However, this was not behaving very good for me, but it works. You see, it works. You can zoom out. You can zoom in. You can zoom in. You can swipe. Zoom out. See, you can swipe. Yep. So I can remove this overlay. Remove the overlay. This one I can remove it. Yep. So put, for example, true. Let's see. Okay, that's type like someone should be able to do like this to dismiss. Yeah. So yeah, I think this is fine. Let's go with this. Alright, so what we're going to do, I want to know if we can start. If we want to put infinite scrollable, can do that. I want to know if I can put the initial screen, like initial page, for someone to begin with. I mean, the image that we're having to be the first one. Okay, anyway, let's do that logic. Right, so initial index, the initial index. Let me see if we have the initial index here. So you swipe, double click, infinite, barrier, close. We don't have the initial index. Don't have the initial index. I think you don't have it. Alright, so yeah, that's what you're going to do. You're going to get all the photos for this product, and then put them in what? And then put them in the photos for this product, and then put them in this in this image view. Okay, and then someone should be able to view them like this by swiping, right? So let's see how we can do that. So I'm going to assume that the downloaded photos are the photos for this product, and then we shall figure if they're actually the ones, and then we create this and then add them there. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put here what we're going to do here, I'm going to put to just say so it's going to be a list of these ones. So this one I'm going to change it into a list. That's a list of these. So I can say maybe images and make it empty for now. So what you're going to do, going to go ahead and then say for, and then say going to look through the downloaded photos. Okay, so say for pick in downloaded photos, and then you go ahead and add one like this. All right, so you just add images and then say file image and file pick, and then you add those downloaded pics like that. Hope you can see that. So after adding them here, then these images is the one that you're going to pass in here. It's the one that you're going to pass there like this. So by doing like that, we shall have the first image there. So we can just simply come here and say we can first say that remember have here our downloaded pic. This is the first pic. Okay, so make sure it's the first one that we add. Okay, it's the first one that we add. So here you can first check if it does not contain a pic, then you add it. So you can say if the image that contains the pic, it should continue. Alright, if that image is already containing, so this one will help us not to repeat it here. Right, so yeah, so like this we shall be able to have our first pic and the first image to be shown, and then others will follow. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's fine. So I can remove these on change listeners. I don't need them, but if you want to listen to them, you can as well go ahead and add them. Yeah, so that's fine. Yeah, that's it. Let me remove this one for a single view. This one in case you want to view one image only. Yep, that's fine. So you can pause the video very carefully. You can pause the video and look at things very carefully. So let's see, refresh. So I can click on this. So you see, become the first one, and these others will follow. I don't know why they're not showing. We're going to figure why. Okay, so let's figure why they're not showing. Let's figure why they're not showing. The first one will show. This one not showing. Let's see why. This is not sure. So why? Let's see why is doing that. Right, so you can see the problem is I'm not putting there the base path. Alright, so let's get the base path of the image, of the images. The main directory. So you can always get it here like this. Yep. So here shall go ahead and put the main directory like this. I think that's fine. Directory, so this is supposed to be .path like this. Let's check again. It's not showing. So how did we do this? The main directory and then the image name. see why. So you see, they're there, and all of them seem to be uniform. So some have been downloaded, some not. So I'm going to check. I'm going to be checking if the path exists or not. If not, if not exist, skip. Just simply put if. Let me make, is this method asynchronous? Yes. If file that path not exist, continue. Yep. So save, click on it. Let's see. Let's get another product like this one. I don't know why the second one is doing that. So that's fine. The second one is not showing. I'll find out why. Alright, so that's fine. Yes, that's fine. So let's conclude with checking if this image are actually in the pics of this image. If this image that are being viewed, if they're actually in the photos of this image. Or what we can do, we can just look through the photos of this particular image to display. So how do you get the images for this product? So we have online pics. So in here, so we're getting the image, online images, this one here. Alright, so let's have a look and see how they look like. You can just put here .4. Widget dot what? Let's see, I have item dot product or product dot 4 for which let me return here. Let's see how they look like. So that's how they look like. So just with the names. Let's see how we downloaded them. Download photos. Yeah, I think it's fine. So you have just downloaded pics. So the downloaded photos, the one that we have in the photos, they are photos of this particular image. So it means that we're having the photos of this particular product. It means that here in downloaded photos, we're having only photos of this particular product. So that is fine. So everything is okay now. Everything is okay. The only problem is I'm wondering why the second image not showing up. Okay, so you have now to load downloaded photos. Let me first undo. Yep, so that's it. That's it. So if I click here, I have, let's see, got this top product. Click there, I have that product, whereby if I click on one, it'll be the first one. I'm wondering why the second image is not showing. I don't know why, but we shall figure out. So does it have infinite loop, infinite scroll? Let's see. Infinite scrollable, false. All right, yeah, that is it. Let's keep it there. So if I come and click on this, it will be the first photo to show, the second one will not show. Shall figure out why. I can zoom out. Yeah, yeah, I can scroll like this to disappear. All right, that's it for today. Let's wait in the next lecture. We're going to show recommended products and also the product details, and then we proceed from there. All right, goodbye. See you in the next lecture. Bye.